The 2011 Odyssey. The Honda Odyssey is a showcase of distinguished style, captivating technology, and advanced safety features. A must for all families and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: DVD system, traction control, power passenger seat, navigation system, dual airbags, air conditioning, front alloy wheels, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, hard disk drive media storage. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.